In last session, I told you how to open the default website that this XAMPP has created for you, and that was by using HTTP colon slash slash localhost, and it opened this dashboard. So it looks quite odd that to open the website by using localhost. Why not, if I am working on some music project, I should open it by using HTTP colon slash slash music, and it should open the website by this link. But this site is not reachable right now. So in this video, I'll be setting up my system to work like this, so that I give a web address like this, and it should be mapped to a particular local folder. So let's see how to do this. So first of all, you have to create a host entry for the music host. So what I'll be doing, I'll be opening the notepad here, but with one difference, that opening notepad, you need to right click and run this as administrator. It will ask you for the permission, and I'll give it permission yes. And now this notepad is open. In this notepad, just select this file, open, and go to C drive, Windows, System 32, then this folder drivers, then this folder etc, and there is one particular file called hosts. That file is hidden from the regular users, so you need to type the name of the file as hosts and then click on the open. So this opens this hosts file. Some different font is there. Let me change the font. Let's restore this back to Arial font. Arial regular 20 size is sufficient. So it is this one. So here is my hosts file. This file contains all the entries regarding which IP address is mapped to which host name on your local machine. So I need to map this 127.0.0.1 to the name music, and also for IP version 6 colon colon 1 music. That's it. If you want to have few other websites on this same machine, you can even go for that. 127.0.0.1, let's say BSc IT 3. I need to have another portal called BSc IT 3, so I'll be mapping it by using this technique, BSc IT 3. If I have some other project for e-commerce, let's say for tourism, maybe 127.0.0.1 tourist colon colon 1 tourist. So after making all these entries, you need to save this file and exit. One change, let me show you here. I'm going to cut these changes from here, saving this file. Now you open a command prompt by using cmd and try to ping music. It won't connect. Fine. Try to ping tourist. It won't connect. Now after you make changes to this hosts file, save this file, close the command prompt, and open this command prompt once again. Now try to ping music, and you will be getting a reply from somebody. That means now somebody is listening. Ping tourist. So if you are getting a reply, that means your system has started working. But this working is not complete right now. If I try to open this website here, music, it is going to open the default XAMPP page. But I want to map it to a different folder. So let's go to my XAMPP folder. It was somewhere in my C drive, then the XAMPP folder. From here, it is going to htdocs, and here the XAMPP was installed. This is the index file that was responsible for it. So what I'll be doing is I'll be creating another folder over here called projects, and within this projects folder I'll be creating the different folders for my projects. So let's create first folder as music, another folder as tourist. Okay, and what was the third one? BSc IT3, I guess. Three. So I have created three different folders for all the three projects that I'm going to start with. Fine. Now the next thing is that I need to map this music folder to the music host that I have linked in the hosts file. So how to do that? Open your XAMPP server and go to its config, and here go to Apache config httpd.conf. So this opens this configuration file. Again, some font problem here. Let me change it to Arial font, which is regular, and this time let me have some smaller font so that we can read this. So here it is. So this is httpd.conf file, which contains all the necessary information for running your Apache server. Somewhere at the bottom of this file, just look out for a directive called virtual host. Mm, Here it is, virtual hosts. So it's in this directive it says include conf extra http vhosts.conf. So there is a separate file for virtual hosts that is included there. So and we need to make an entry into this virtual host for mapping the music folder with the music domain. So let's minimize this, or we can just simply open it from here. File, open, go to your C drive, WAMP folder, this XAMPP folder, and here it said it's Apache folder, conf folder, extra folder, and within this there was that particular file. Let's go for all files filter here, and it is going to show me httpd vhosts. So this is the file that I require. Click on this open button, and now this vhost file is open. So this vhost file contains the directive for running the different websites. Let's copy this last directive here, and I'll explain all this one by one. The lines that start with a sharp or pound sign, these are basically the comments. So I have copied this and I'm pasting it here, and I'm uncommenting this by removing these sharp symbols from here. So this virtual host directive is there. Now here you need to make different entries. Server admin is webmaster at music. So since your website name was music, so it's webmaster at music. Document root is C drive, XAMPP, htdocs, and so and so. But my doc root was C drive, XAMPP, and here I created the folder at this place: C drive, XAMPP, projects, and then music. So I'll be specifying it by using this technique: C drive, XAMPP, projects slash music. Fine. The server name is music, which I specified in the hosts file. Error logs is in logs slash music dash error log. Custom log is in music dash access dot log common, and the closing directive for the virtual host. Now this is complete. I'm going to save this file by pressing Ctrl S, and similar entries are required for the tourist website and for BSc IT3 website. So just copy this and paste it below twice, once for the tourist and other next time for BSc IT3. I leave this as an exercise for you. So you create these two files and try to see whether your project works or not. Now I have saved this HTTPD vhosts configuration file. I'm going to close it. And after that, it is necessary to restart your Apache server. So I'm going to stop this Apache server here, and then I'm going to start this Apache server once again. Fine. Now it has started working, and if I specify in a new window for the music portal, it will open. But before that, let's have some index file so that we could see it is working correctly or not. So in your XAMPP folder, uh, this PC, C drive, XAMPP projects, music, and I'm going to create a new file over here which should be of name index.php. I want to change it. Right click and then edit with more applications. Let's say currently I don't have any other software installed, so I'll be opening this with the notepad. Here just simply create an HTML document. Fine, so this is the index file. Now let's try to close our browser and open this browser once again. Music slash, or you simply write this as http colon slash slash music. Press the enter key, and it says like this: you don't have permission to access this resource. So you need to figure out what is causing this error. Now once you get this error that your website is not opening, so you need to handle this thing in your virtual host configuration file. Here is my virtual host configuration. The reason for this website not opening is your httpd.conf file. In this file, you see the directive, this directive, C drive XAMPP htdocs. So this XAMPP has allowed the folder to open under htdocs folder. But if you look at the directory structure that we have created, it's outside the htdocs. This is htdocs, and we have this folder projects in which our projects are installed. So you need to give permission to this projects folder. So what I would recommend is copy this thing from here up to this slash closing directory. Copy this, go to your virtual host file, create some space before creating your virtual host and paste it there. Just remove all the comments and it will remain just 2 3 lines only. So I'm removing these comments. These 3 lines are required for your own folder. Just change the folder from htdocs to projects folder. That's it. Save this file and restart your Apache. So it's green now, running. And let's try to refresh this music folder. And you can see it here. Fine. Now home task for you, you need to set up the tourist folder in a similar way. This new recent setting is to be done only once. You don't need to do it time and again because we are going to create all the projects under this projects folder. Like the music folder, the tourist folder, the BSCIT3 folder, all these were under this projects folder. So this is going to give the explicit permission to all those folders below the projects folder. That's all. Keep practicing and we'll connect and discuss more things in the next lecture.